Welcome to Mobile Musings. I'm Sierra Madro. Today's app tip is an app called Brainwave. Brainwave is a binaural brainwave entrainment system. Now, if you haven't heard of binaural brainwave entrainment, it's not nearly as scary as the term might sound. All it is a way of listening to sounds to create a certain mental state. Now, that state can range from anything from alert and focused to deeply meditative to deeply sleeping. But it allows you, by just listening to tones, to create that sense and state within yourself very quickly and easily. What it does, how it works with Brainwave, is that when you put on your headphones, your ears actually receive two different tones. Now, those tones are combined in your brain, and that creates a certain frequency, a sound frequency, and a frequency for your brain waves within your brain. Now, certain types of brain waves are associated with certain types of alertness or meditative states or sleeping, and you can get to those states and train your brain to get to those states by listening to these tones. If you've ever been in a situation where you really wished you could get a little bit of quiet time or get a little bit of rest maybe, Brainwave is fabulous for that. When I'm on an airplane and I really know that I need to get some rest before I get to my next destination, I put on Brainwave. I can get a nice bit of rest, get to my destination feeling refreshed, and instead of just sitting there trying to get comfortable within that seat, it just allows me to be calm, centered, and relaxed, which is fabulous. Now, if you've also been in those situations where you needed a little bit of boost of creativity, Brainwave's great for that too. Brainwave will allow you to listen to these tones on top of any kind of music that really gets you going. And next thing you know, you've got that creative brainstorm on its way. Let's have a look at what Brainwave can do. Here we are in Brainwave. You can see it's a very simple program. You've got your play, pause, and stop buttons across the top. You have a countdown on how long you are within the program that you've selected, and then you have your scrollable list of programs. Now, there are 30 different binaural programs available in this that go everywhere from pre-exercise energy, motivation boost, anger relief, lucid dreaming, dreamy sleep. All of these are programs available for you within Brainwave. Each of these programs comes with a description and a recommended length of time for that particular program. So for instance, Dreamy Sleep recommends a minimum of 60 minutes. All of these go with specific background music. Now, the background ambiance has a settable volume, as well as the brainwaves have a settable volume, so that you can select exactly how loud you want each of these to be. Maybe you want to have really loud music, but less on the brainwaves. When you're looking at what tones you want in the background, there are a number of ambiance tones that come along for free with Brainwave. Rain and thunder, flowing creeks, atmospheric sounds. These are very much natural sounds. If you want something a little bit less natural, you can always go to an iTunes playlist and add music directly from your iTunes on your device. And it's that simple. All you need now is a pair of headphones and you're off in the Brainwave entrainment. I've been really happy using Brainwave to get into meditative states, creative states, and sleeping states. You should give it a try and find out if Brainwave entrainment is something that can help you out in your personal and professional life.